What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use the multiple Firefox browser or account profile. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So if you have ever tried to open the Firefox like this, and maybe you can also add the, let's say, the profile account, and if you would like to create this one, you can start to click the create the profile, and usually you can also put your name, whether that for the work or personal space or personal thing. Let's say I will type personal too, and I will choose the orange, and you can click the done editing. So this will be ready, and you can also continue to do the login with your email, and it will be connected, let's say, with your Google Mail, or if you are the user of the Google Chrome, you can also connect it with your Google Chrome account. However, you can also have another choice or another way to have the different experience without doing the login to use this Firefox, and you can also make it more personalized to yours. So the first step you can do, you can give it the right click on this window, and you can continue to click run, and you can type in this section firefox.exe, and after that give it a space and give it a stripe and type P in the capital letter. And after that, you can continue to click OK. And this will be the section that you can start to modify. Basically, you can start to create the profile. Let's say I will demonstrate you. For example, working space. And I will click finish. And it will be added into this section. And you can also do the editing or the rename of this profile like this, personal 20 for example. And you can click OK, or you can also remove the profile or delete the profile. For example, I will remove this one and delete profile, and I will delete it, and it will be officially deleted from this list. And for example, I would like to open the working space, so I will start to click or ping or selecting this working space and click start Firefox. And after that, you will see this is the very brand new browser that you will have now, and you can click continue, or you can also read the term and condition over here first. And after that, this will be ready to use if you would like to use this for the, let's say, personal space or the working space. And if I show you over here, in this sign in section, you will have a lot, you can see a lot of lists of the account that using the Firefox. However, if you use that previous way, like click the run in this window section, you will have the very brand new space to create your profile. As you can see, this is kind of empty, and you can create it, let's say, for your another purposes, maybe for your working space, so it will not interfere or being mixed with this profile, so it will be being separate in the each of the purposes. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and also don't forget to try to create these tips. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.